Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Trello API key in 2024. So today we're exploring how to obtain a Trello API key, which allows you to interact with Trello API and build applications that integrate with the Trello platform. Whether you are automating workflows, syncing some data, or even creating some custom Trello features, an API key is essential for you. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process or steps of getting your own Trello API key. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and sign up for a Trello account. To do so, make sure to go and open browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open your browser, go to this URL section. Make sure to type Trello.com as example and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself in their home screen, the main screen. So by any chance, if you have an account, make sure to go and click on login at the top right corner. Once you click on login, as you can see, you'll be able to log in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. If you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of logging into your account, and the same will be for creating an account. So for me, as an example, I'll just go here and create an account with a Google account. I'll choose my account in here. And as you can see, it looks like it's your first time on Trello. Do you want to create an account using Atlassian account? Of course, you can use that, create an account using Atlassian account if you want to. So I'll just go and do that. Why not? And create an account. And yeah, as you can see, I'm already on Trello. So welcome to Trello. We're glad you make it here. So you can build your first board or skip. For me, I'll just go and skip on that. Invite in team. I'm not going to invite anyone. Just click on skip again. And after that, as you can see, try premium or Trello for 30 days for free. But for me, I'm not going to do that. I'll just click on skip. I don't want to use the premium one. And as you can see, I will be on the home screen. So here, where can you exactly have access to that API key? As an example, normally you should find it on the settings or, so let's just go and check as example settings here. Let's just see workspace settings. There's nothing in here. What about if we go to our profile? If we go here as example and click on settings as example, what about account settings, email notifications here? So let's just keep scrolling down. Suggestions, marketing emails, accessibility applications, sessions, to stop verification, personal data export. And as you can see, nothing in here. If we go and click as example on account or profile and visibility, normally here sometimes you may find it. Let me just go and check as example. So yeah, nothing in here. So as you can see, instead of keep looking where's the API, you can simply just go and open new tab, just type Trello API and hit the enter button. Once you do so, as you can see, you will find here the Trello REST API, which is what we want, and even introduction first. If you know nothing about it, make sure to read about such as example how to introduction to the API, managing how to manage your API key, how to get authentication authorization. As an example, a lot of things here. And of course, how to get your first API call. They'll show you exactly how to do it. Basically, instruction on everything, like how to do it, where you start, for boards, example, how to get in our member boards, example, and etc. For the API, if we go here to REST API as example, we would like to get our API. For REST API, of course, the one that's everyone uses is like REST API. So how can we do that? So as you can see, they show you here how to request it, like ID, Trello ID required. And as you can see, the ID of the action, pattern, for queries parameters, as you can see, display like entities, fields, member fields, member creators, and etc. For updating an action, for deleting an action, for get specified field in action. And example here, you'll be able to see everything about it on the REST API. Of course, if you're looking for something specific here, you'll be able to see it. As you can see, all the things that you want about this API. And as you can see in here, this is basically how to use it, how to use the REST API and how introduction to it. So now if you want it, all you need to do simply go to trello.com/power and dash ops and slash after that, admin, and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you will find yourself here. Of course, make sure to agree to that. And of course, Trello developer terms, because with the developer, like you'll be able to get your API, then click on continue. And here you'll find yourself here, power-ups and integrations. So all you need to do here is simply go and click on new. Once you click on new, of course, you'll have to give it a name. Like for me, I'll just give it a random name, just name as example. And of course, for the workspace, I'll just use this one. And of course, here in frame connector URL, Make sure to do enter that, enter the email, enter the support contact as an example, and enter the author also. So, an example, just fill up your informations, all of them, and make sure, of course, to be or to do whatever they're saying here. As an example, in the description, make sure to follow that exactly. So, an example, I'll just type here HTTPS and like that. Maybe I'll just do www.google.com. It's probably will not work, so I'm just entering some random things here. But for you, make sure to enter your things like accurate. So example, I'll just do that and click on create. Once I click here on create, make sure if there is any other information that you need to finish, just to finish it. If you go now to API key here and here, as example, you'll be able to generate a new API key. So click on it. As you can see, generate a unique API key will replace the API key used for personal data and storage. Make sure that you know that. And you will have 14 days to update your API key anywhere they are used to ensure power-ups remain in compliance. For me, I'll just go in here and click on generate. And as you can see, they'll give me my API key and I'll be able now to go and use it wherever I want. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.